I'm John, and welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking YouTube channel. Today we've got a test video of NYCE238. My Corvette is best Corvette, a 2000 Chevrolet C5 Corvette. This car is a beautiful millennium yellow with a light oak interior, automatic car, LS1 4L60E, 315 ratio rear diff. There is the mighty powerful 5.7 liter LS1 under the hood. We're gonna fire it up here in just a second. Reason number one why my Corvette is best Corvette, LS1. 52,906 miles. Let's take a listen. There we go. We will be selling this LS1 as a swap. Motor, belt-driven accessories, ECU, and harness. I feel like I say this every time. When you buy this swap, you're gonna get everything you need. You will have to change the oil pan and reroute the front accessories. It's always the alternator that's in the way, according to the forums. Beautiful running motor though. We're gonna let it get up to temperature here for you guys. We'll test out the transmission and give her a couple of revs. Why? Because my Corvette is best Corvette. Moving on inside here to the light oak interior. Beautiful dashboard. Just kidding. Oh, my Corvette is best Corvette, but why is there Velcro on the dash? That's so you can change out those covers every weekend. When you get a new date or whatever, you got to get a fresh dash on this thing, like underwear. C5 life. Let's start out with the power windows. Woo. That one sounds a little hungry. We are not going to be listing this passenger window regulator for sale. Proof right there, we test everything thoroughly. If we wouldn't put it in our Corvette, we wouldn't put it in your Corvette. Why? Because your Corvette needs to be best Corvette. Let's start out by testing the transmission. Reverse. Drive. Spinny. Can't do a burnout in here because there's too many people, but we gotta have a little bit of fun. Oh, and my right rear tire is flat. Thank you, Corvette, for being best Corvette and reminding me of that. Let's test the radio. Reason number 9 why my Corvette is best Corvette. My antenna is taller than yours.
There's a certain element of...
All right, I imagine we press the auxiliary button here to get to the sounds of Saigon. Disc 12. It's cold in here. There must be some toros in the atmosphere. Come on. It just needs a minute. Fun fact for those of you that didn't know, this is the speed control volume. You must always set that to 11 so everybody can hear your radio when you're going fast. It appears that we do not have a working CD player. That's rather upsetting because I wanted to hear the sounds of Saigon today. Pro tip, if your CD changer breaks in your Corvette, just go to Walmart and get one of those Bluetooth cassette adapters. Nobody will ever know. Let me know in the comments down below, when's the last time you saw one of these? Now, I have no idea what I just put in there, so we're all gonna learn together. The Beastie Boys, check your head. It's kind of fitting for this vehicle. Climate control. This one does not need rebuilt. We got a little bit of wear down there, but it is in great shape. Works perfectly. Let's go ahead and test the power mirrors in this bad boy. It's time to test out the pop up and down headlights. Heck yeah. All right, what else do we need to test in here? The power seat. This is looks like a 4-way power seat, 6-way. Let me know in the comments down below if all Corvettes are like this. I've only sat in so many of them that I totally forget. It has got a manual tilt feature. Looks like we got forward and backwards. Last thing to test, the electro manual top. Yeah, this is a manual top, but it's rather cumbersome, so let's fumble through this together. Step 1, close the door, then press the button. There we go. Now, see if I can do this right, and I didn't. I already messed it up. We got to do one of these. Then it goes down. But wait, we're still not done. Oh, now we have to go in here. Hey, these mirrors for sale on our website, www.jnjoh.com. We got to latch them up. And now your Corvette is, I don't know, the top's up. Well, now that we're done talking about my Corvette, which is best Corvette, it's time to tear this thing apart. We're gonna check back in here in 2 or 3 hours when this thing kind of looks like Leroy the Drift Cart. Our boss made us lunch today. What do we got, boss? Grilled cheese sandwiches. You guys can't taste this through the screen, but they're delicious. Everybody here pulled off a potluck, and this is what we've got. We got here some homemade chicken noodle, New England style clam chowder, not that Manhattan crap, cheeseburger soup. Oh, good old tomato. Somebody needs crock pot lessons. It is 4:36 now. It's been about 3 hours, and this car is gutted. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, or any C5, C6, or C7 Corvette parts, I know we say this all the time, but check us out. We've got just about everything you need. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let us know what you think about this video. Or heck, what kind of car should we part out next? Best comment will get a t-shirt. What car should we part out next? And no crazy answer, something we can actually buy. With that being said, I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.